Okay, good day everyone and welcome ulit sa isang lecture video. Dito naman tayo sa structural theory. So this problem, kung makikita ninyo, is very familiar. Lumabas ito noong April 2023 CE board exam, no? But this is not the exact problem, but very similar to this one, no? So let's discuss this one. A cross bracing is used to provide lateral support for this bridge deck due to the wind and unbalanced traffic loads. So determine approximately the forces in the members of this truss. Assume the diagonals are slender and therefore will not support a compressive force. So alam naman natin pag slender, ibig sabihin payat ba, no? Kumbaga payat siya. Pag yung isang member is payat, you can only expect it to resist tension. Mahila lang siya, no? Pero yung i-compress mo siya, hindi siya pwede, no? Okay, so hindi siya pwedeng it will not resist any compressive force. So effectively, pag yan ay na-undergo ng compressive force, the force there will be equal to zero, no? Tension lang ang kaya. So the loads and support reactions are shown. So dito sa ating problem, we have this bridge, no? Bridge deck, and ito yung cross bracing natin. Okay? So very similar na lumabas noong April 2023 CE board exam. Kaya lang dun sa April 2023 CE board exam, ito lang yung merong load. Whereas dito sa ating example is halos lahat ng points A, J, I, H, G, F meron siyang loads. Okay? So naka-English units yung ating measurement. So we have 15 feet, no? Ang bawat isa nito, this one, and this one, yan yung tinatawag natin na panel, no? So each of these is called a panel. So each panel 15 by 15. Okay, so square. So medyo madali lang, no? Square lang man. Okay? So dito na yung reaction hindi natin isolve kasi nilagay na 8K yung kanyang reaction. K is Gibbs. So kung makikita niyo, symmetrical yung figure, and the loads are also symmetrical. So pagka symmetrical, hindi na natin kailangan na i-complicate. Kalahatin nyo na lang yung loads. Ilan ba ito? This is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Plus 4, that is 10, plus 4, that is 14, plus 2, that is 16. So yung magiging reaction, lalo na pagka simply supported and yung ating reaction, no, end to end lang, so divide nyo lang yung 16 by 2. So nandito na yung ating reaction. This is 8K upward. So pagka ganito, kung mapansin ninyo, hindi ito isang member lang ito, this one, and isang member lang ito, this one. Nag-overlap lang sila, no? Nag-overlap. So i-introduce natin yung concept ng panel shear. Okay? Di ba sabi natin ang this one is 15, no? 15 by 15. So yung kanyang magiging inclination is 1:1. Tapos yung kanyang hypotenuse is square root of 2. So unahin muna natin yung panel, first panel, no? So we will have a cutting section. Cut natin dito yung ating analysis of first panel. Ngayon, di ba sa ating analysis sa trusses, pag nag-method tayo ng method of sections, we will always assume that the forces in the members are in tension. Okay? So ngayon, meron tayong tinatawag na panel shear. Kailan ito nangyayari, itong panel shear? Pag merong diagonal members, no? Nag-criss-cross, may lateral bracing, merong diagonal members. So that is the concept of panel shear. Let us say yung panel shear natin sa first panel is V1. Okay? So ganyan, no? Ipagpalagay natin, this one is a beam, no? And it is subjected to, magkakaroon ito ng shear. Okay? So instead of beam shear, this will be a panel shear. So ang gagawin natin, if we are going to solve for the panel shear, for the first panel, so summation of forces y, no? So equal to 0, upward is positive. So we have upward man ito 8, ang 2 is downward, so minus 2, minus, ang sign convention natin, if we are looking from the left, diba, ang sign convention natin para sa shear, that is downward positive. Klaro? No? Downward positive. Or downward, hindi downward positive na. Downward. Okay? So, downward yung ating sign convention. So, we assume that upward positive. So, minus V1 yan. So, that is equal to 0. So, solving for V1, that is just equal to 6K. So, ang ibig sabihin, yung panel shear for the first panel, this is equal to 6 K's. Okay? Ngayon, ang magdadala daw ng panel shear is itong ating diagonal bars. No? So, this one, kung makita niyo, i-wash out ko lang itong ating figure, no? Para makita pa natin, wash out, or parang i-kuha natin yung exposure niya. So, ito yung force in member JB. And, ngayon, supposedly, di ba sabi natin, we will assume tension. Okay? But the concept of panel shear states na yung panel shear, ang magdadala nito is yung diagonal members. Okay? So, dapat dadalhin ito ni JB, ng member JB, at dadalhin din ng member AI. No? AI pa nito. AI. So, ang magdadala niyan, both is JB and AI. So, ibig sabihin, pag downward yung ating, kasi positive man yung ating nakuha, no? So, ibig sabihin, downward ito. Tama? So, downward yung ating shear. Supposedly, ang magdala dyan is JB and AI. So, dapat downward yung dalawa. Ngayon, ang nangyayari dito is, dito din yung ating mga forces, no? FJI and FAB. So, instead of tension itong FAI, magiging compression siya kasi dadalhin niya dapat, supposedly, yung V1. Ngayon, yung AI, hindi niya kayang i-support yung tension. Yung compression rather, no? Cannot support compression. Ang kaya niya lang i-support is yung tension. So, pag na-force ito na mag-compression, hindi siya mag-compress, no? Kung baga isipin nyo, wire yan. Ang kaya lang ng wire, tension, hindi compression. So, pag naging compression yan, hindi niya kayang dalhin, hindi man pwede mag-negative, no? No, hindi pwede mag-negative. So, it's just 0. Okay? So, effectively, yung force AI, this is equal to 0. No? So, ganyan, no? So, ang panel shear V1 will be carried only by member JB. Okay? So, dito yung ating inclination. This is 1 square root of 2. Kasi this one is parehas na 15 feet. This is 15 feet. Okay? So, pwede yung summation forces y is equal to 0. Walang problema. Or pwede nyo na i-direction nyo na lang, no? So, FJB is equal, FJB, yung y component niya is 1 over square root of 2. So, this is equal to V1. No? Parehas man sila ng direction. So, FJB times 1 over square root of 2 is equal to 6. Yan yung nasolve natin. So, the force in member FJB is equal to 8.49K. That is tension. So, nasolve natin yung force in member JB. Okay? So, isolve na natin yung natitira. So, itong FJB na-solve natin. This is 8.49. No? So, ito yung nagdala ng V1. Okay? Nakalimutan ko lang ilagay yung summation forces Y. Pero, okay na rin yan. Summation forces Y or FJB, ito lang man yung magdala. So, FJI, we are solving for FJI. Mag-summation of moments daw tayo at point A. So, we will assume that clockwise, yung CW na, no? Kasi wala akong, para pa ganyan. Okay, so, clockwise, that is positive. So, pag ganon. Okay? So, yung FJI, ang lever arm niya is yung vertical, no? 15 feet. Plus, FJBX. Okay? So, yung FJBX, lagyan natin ng highlight. Ito lang ito lang. FJBX. Hindi to FJ, ha? FJBX. Yung FJBY, ito yon. Hindi yan magkakaroon ng moment at point A. Bakit? Kasi papunta man yan sa point A, no? Hindi niya pwedeng paikutin yung point A. So, yung magkakaroon lang ng moment or component of moment, itong FJBX. So, ito yon. So, FJBX, still, the lever arm is itong 15 feet. Okay? So, FJI times 15 plus yung FJBX, so that is 8.49, yan, nasolve natin, times yung X component niya is ito yun, 1 over square root of 2. So, then wag yung kalimutan yung the lever arm. No? The lever arm is also 15 feet. So, solving for FJI, so that is equal to negative 6K. No? So, negative 6K. Ibig sabihin, pag negative, that is compressive. No? So, FJI is 6K compressive. So, nalaman natin na yung JI is compressive. No? So, yung FJI, supposedly, kung this is going to the left. No? So, this is going to the left. Ngayon, pagkunin natin yung force in member AB, so summation forces X is equal to 0, we will analyze this one as a whole. No? So, FAB plus FJI plus FJBX, this is equal to 0. Okay? So, this is assuming na to the right pa ito, but nakita naman natin na to the left ito. Okay? So, yung FJI magiging negative. So, FAB plus negative 6, yan yung nakuha natin. So, plus itong FJB, no? Which is 8.49. Yung X component is, again, 1 over square root of 2. Okay? This is going to the right, so that is positive. So, times 1 over square root of 2. So, FAB is equal to 0. So, this one is 0. This one is also 0. So, yung nag-counter lang is ito, yung FJI, tsaka yung FJB. Okay? Yung FAJ, hindi na natin isolve. Halos kaya nyo na nang isolve yun. Yan, no? So, you can analyze joint A, and or you can also analyze joint J. So, kaya na lang mag-analyze niyan. Okay, dito tayo sa next panel. No? Sa second panel. Ang analyze ko lang dito is dalawang panel. Since this one is symmetrical, 4 panels in all, symmetrical yung one. So, analyze lang natin yung dalawang panels. No? So long as you know how to solve this one. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung magiging panel shear. Again, downward yan yung magiging sign convention natin para sa shear if we are looking from the left. No? If we are looking from the right, that will be upward. Okay? So, again, ang magdadala lang nito is itong this diagonal members. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung panel shear. Baka naman upward na yan, no? So, let's solve for the panel shear. Ito yan, no? Ito yung ating ikat, no? Okay, so, summation of forces Y upward is positive. So, i-add natin to. So, we have 8 minus 2. Kasama na itong minus 4. Kasi downward man yan. Minus V2. Okay? So, this is equal to 0. So, that is just equal to V2 is equal to 2K. So, ibig sabihin, yung panel shear nito is 2 kips. Okay? So, ang magdadala nitong panel shear is itong FIC at itong FBH. And just as I have explained, hindi kayang dalhin ng BH itong ating compressive force kasi supposedly kung itong dalawa sana, no, itong dalawang members ang magdala nitong V2, na downward, no? Kung upward yan, di dapat pataas din to, no? Downward yan, so pababa ito. This one and this one. Okay? So, meron din tayong member forces, IH and FBC. Okay? Okay, so since BH can only support tension, so FBH is equal to 0. So, magdala lang nitong V2 na 2K, ito FIC. So, panel shear V2 will only be carried by IC. So, FIC, yung vertical component niya, 1 over square root of 2. So, FIC times 1 over square root of 2. So, this is equal to V2. No? Kalimutan ko lang ilagay dito yung summation forces 1. Anyway, so, FIC times 1 over square root of 2, that is equal to 2. Yan yung ating nakuha natin na panel shear. No? So, FIC is equal to 2.83 gips. No? So, that is in tension. Solving for FIH. So, dito naman tayo mag-summation ng moment at point B, no? Ito pa rin yung gina-analyze natin na itong buo na ito, no? This one. So, we will assume that clockwise is positive. Okay? So, we have FIH about point B, no? So, times 15, yung lever arm na 15 feet. Yung component lang din nitong IC na magkakaroon ng moment about point B is itong X component or the horizontal component. The vertical component will have no moment about point B. Hindi niya pwedeng paikutin yung point B. So, ito lang horizontal component. So, ang lever arm, that is still 15. Ngayon, meron na isama na natin ito. No? So, 2, this is counterclockwise, no, about point B. So, counterclockwise about point B, pag ganyan, or pag ganyan, no? 2 times the distance or the lever arm, itong 15 feet. And then, meron pa ito, no? 8K, so, times 15, no? So, this is clockwise, pag ganyan yung kanyang movement, so, positive. So, nakuha man natin yung value ng FIC, that is 2.83, no? So, yung X component niya is 1 over square root of 2. So, FIH times 15 plus 2.83 times 1 over square root of 2, yan yung ating X component multiplied by the lever arm, which is still 15. Ito na 15, ha? So, minus 2 times 15, because that is counterclockwise. And plus 8 times 15, so that is clockwise. So, that is equal to 0. So, makuha natin na sagot, FIH is equal to negative 8K. Or ibig sabihin, FIH is compressive. Okay? So, this one is also compressive. Maganyan. So, that is to the left. If we are now going to solve for FBC, no? Solve natin itong FBC. Mag-0 kaya ulit ito or hindi na mag-0? Okay? So, FBC plus FIH plus FICX, no? But our FIH, nalaman natin na hindi siya to the right kasi hindi siya tension, but that is compression, no? So, maging negative itong FIH. So, unknown natin FBC plus negative 8. And then, plus itong FIC, no? 2.83. Yan yung nakuha natin, 2.83 times 1 over square root of 2. That is equal to 0. So, solving for FBC, so that is equal to 6K in tension. Okay? So, hindi ko na ituloy yung pagsasolve ito. Kayo na lang magtuloy, no? Nung ating lahat. So, as long as we know now paano i-solve ito, panel shear lang, no? So, when I first encountered this problem, hindi ko alam na meron palang concept ng panel shear. Lumalabas kasi ito sa board exam, no? 2015, 2016, 2017, 2023, 2024, lumabas din, no? 2024. So, be careful about this, no? Kailangan careful kayo na kung paano mag-analyze nito. So, fun and chill.